Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cabin Fever Crochet with me, Helene here, your resident fairy of the day. I just want to thank everyone so much for participating, for being here, and just to remind you now, this drawing here goes to this, for the semi-finalists, goes into the main drawing that will be chosen on July 25th, 2020 at Dana's Wanderlust Crochet channel. And I have decided, if you may recall, that I have a little gift bag to the winner here on my channel if you are in the United States. And this is a lovely teal color. It says Glam Floral Print with textured vinyl. And also, I put a little extra on there. Yes, indeed. I made a little butterfly stitch marker. Butterflies, which go with fairies, and it's also signifies transformation. And on the butterfly, there is a Swarovski crystal and 2 little sterling silver beads. That's right. So if you happen to be out of the United States, I want everyone to be included, did not want to leave anyone out. So then I would send to you a $10 Amazon gift card. And also, speaking of not leaving anyone out, I had difficulty with the random comment picker choosing everyone who had entered into their comment the keyword fairy, F-A-I-R-Y. Only 127 comments came up, and I did not want to pick the drawing from that because I knew there were a lot more. So I scrolled down and I counted all the comments that said fairy, and then I stopped at 300 because I knew that well exceeded what YouTube was picking up. So again, this is just open to everyone who came to my channel and left a comment. All right, so I know that's what you're waiting for, so you can move on to the next channel. Good luck to everyone on the drawing, and just know that you are all winners. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Please come back to my channel for more yarny fun and whatever else happens to come my way that I will share with you. All right, good luck and take care, everyone. Okay, I will see you soon. All right, hopefully you're not holding your breath too long. Now I'm going to collect all the comments. Here we go. Look at that. It's exciting for me too. All right, we have 486 comments. Fantastic. Okay, here we go. And the winner is, woohoo, Amanda. All right, Simply Amanda. And Amanda's comment says, I remember this one because I did read every single one. I wouldn't be surprised if there was a fairy family living in your backyard. I wouldn't be surprised either, Amanda. Okay, well, I know that you're not a fairy yourself. I can see that in your comment. Okay, so congratulations, Amanda. I am going to forward the link to your YouTube channel over to Dana, and you will go into the final grand prize drawing. Please get in touch with me. My email address will be listed below. And to Amanda, if you would please comment below to let me know that you have emailed me so I know that that is indeed you. And also, Amanda, you will have 10 days from today to collect your prize here on my channel, so you need to get in touch with me by or before July 25th, 2020. Okay, great fun, everyone. Thanks again for being here. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.